oh, Mozart is a genius. No, the first 10 years of Mozart's compositions were mere curiosities. It wasn't after 10 years. Every great chess champion, every great athlete, every great entrepreneur, every great artist, every great author spent the equivalent of 10,000 hours toiling quietly on their craft before the first signs of genius showed up. It's not their skill, it's not their willpower. It's not about genetics. It's not about giftedness. Genius is about practice. Practice is the game changer. And if you do the practice, you get the results.
And here we are at video number 10, licensing steps. The very first step in acquiring your license is submitting the URS form along with the $300 fee. You can access the government website for the URS form below. URS form. And it's got a link right there. Once your application has been received and accepted, the FMCSA will provide you with the motor carrier number. Until you have this number, you cannot progress with the licensing process. The time it takes to process your application can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks in total. Freight brokers are required to have suitable insurance up to an amount deemed necessary by their insurance company, typically $75,000 surety bond. To prove that you have the correct insurance, you can submit a BMC 85 or BMC 84 bond using a surety bond or trust fund agreement. You can find more information on this at the company's website below. That's a Pacific Financial website down there. Please note that I'm not endorsing this specific company. It's intended for you to look at it as a rough idea on how to get started.